So as the sign says, welcome to Wixams station in near Bedford, where we're now on month 2 of construction works here. We've just completed month 2 even. Seems just to be site works really happening at the moment still. This is filmed on a Saturday, so we're not doing weekend working yet. This pile of mud here is getting bigger each time I come. And here comes the first train. Which way is it going to come from? Is it going to come from the right? There it is. So as we head over here, I'm going to stop here. Now I was here 2 weeks ago on a Tuesday, and this little pile to the right was a lot smaller. So I'm going to pop that video right here, so you can see how small it was. So yeah, you can see here the diggers were working to create this pile. And back to today. So yeah, we can see now the earthworks have really moved on since early... Oh, they are working on Saturday. Since earlier in the month. Not even this month, last month now. As another train passes, there's an East Mids train. Let's follow that down as quick as we can. In the distance there. So yeah, so we've got some works going on. I thought the site would be shut down. I thought the rail was going to be shut down today, but clearly not. So it seems that the majority of work has been concentrated on digging out alongside the railway. So we'll fly all the way over there. You can see there, that's where the station site ends. That's going to be more housing there. The site compound is here. They've accused drone flyers of helping thieves to steal their tools. Apparently, there's a terrible view on the security they've got here. But yeah, they've had some tool thefts apparently, according to the chap who's tried to stop me from filming a few weeks ago. You see there, they put the crossings in place on the railway. And then as we look along, they've been clearing the fencing, creating access. On the top there, you've got the new posts for the new overhead lines. Not actually much happening for the speed truck movements, but there is. Maybe it's lunchtime. Some floodlighting there, so they clearly are working into the darker hours now. But they've cleared all of this side. See the light of the truck there. It seems like they're doing something over there, so let's get a bit closer. See what that is coming down. That one's reversing. So still the idea here is to build a two platform station. We're all well aware that Universal are hoping to build nearby, and that it'll be a 4... Where's this truck going? A 4 platform station if that happens. But at the moment they don't have permission to do anything else apart from a 2 platform station. Going behind these trees. Let's have a look behind the trees. Can't see that way. Let's go around the back. What are they doing down there? Just reversing. Ah, what's going on down here? Here's where the action is today. Let's have a look. It's reversing in there, isn't he? That's where the digger's waiting. They're extending the site out. That's where the dump trucks are and the tracked digger. Lots of people there. I mean, how many people can we see in orange? I can counting. I mean, I haven't got glasses on. I can see at least six. Got the specs on. We've got a huddle of 4 at the back there. 5, 6 with the drivers. 1 in the other truck. 7. There's a 1 in the tracked. I'm losing count. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Lots of people working. There's a bit of fence being moved. Oh look, he's moving that bit of fence. Where's that going? So they're increasing the site size. It's all the way down there now. We'll get along there and have a look. See what they've been doing. So digging out these trees and putting the fencing in place by the look of it. They're now starting to all help. Breaks over, chaps. A little red fencing there, keep the track secure. Actually nowhere near. They wouldn't be able to see the drone from where it is. Where are we at? 40 metres. Head along here and have a look. What's we got happening in the distance? Nothing. Looks like they've worked all the way along now. Oh, train coming. Here comes the train. Choo choo. There's another one there. Passing sight. So we come all the way along. This must be. Well, that feels very long. A platform and access, I guess. No sound of any fencing here though. Assume they'll be putting that in. Now the fence is starting there at the end. Another train. Shows how busy this line is for them working so close. It looks like there's another CCTV camera there at the end, or a light. You see the red lights signalling the danger of the live track. Another train coming. Just shows how busy Thameslink is. East Coast Midland Mainline even. There it is. The line's still open. 12-car train heading into Bedford. That's where you'll find me during the week on one of those. So yeah, you can see there, little diggers moving about. What's that? There's much more activity than I thought when I arrived here. So yeah, they're clearly clearing this line side for the platform to come in. I mean, if they're going to have to separate the railway there, aren't they? They're going to have to move it to the left So now they've set the platforms to be in place. Even more so, they go for a full platform. And we'll come back over the top here. We'll have another look at just what's happening. Nice and high up. So yeah, they're digging out here alongside the trees. Not much else happening on site though. Like I said, that mound there on the left is quite a bit bigger than it was just 2 weeks ago. Someone there walking about. Come over here. Gonna move away from the railway. I'm going to drop a bit. First works really have happened there. Drone disappearing into this really low cloud we've got in the UK at the moment. See there where looks like they've concreted that. Put those plastic barriers on that we've seen on HS2. And then the concrete on top. It's the crossing they built first to get across to the other side. Not sure why, but that's what they spent their first railway closure on. Yeah, that's Wixams. It's the Saturday the 9th of November. Let's have a look. Yep, it's the 9th. Yeah, Saturday the 9th of November. So clearly lots of work going on to clear line side. And we'll keep an eye on this, and the next we'll come back doing the monthlies here. No point doing anything weekly at the moment. Thanks for watching, and if you do want to keep track, please do like, comment and subscribe. I'm just moving the drone away from a passing bird, which is quite keen to have a look. We'll get up nice and high and we can finish off with that overview. Yeah, that's your site overview there. Another train. It's actually going to be an Aldi distribution centre, this site. Here is the Aldi distribution site there. You can see the triangle, which I believe has planning permission. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.